Are you in your over 40 or you are in late 30s? This recipe is for you. They said prevention is better than cure. If you are over 40 or your late 30s, keep watching. You are in the right place. So in this recipe, we are going to be making use of 2 cucumbers, 1 lemon, and 1 bunch of celery. So, guys, you know the the benefit of cucumber, lemon, and celery. But in this recipe, I will be also explain to you why you can be taking this, or even people who are having high BP can also take this. For you not to start to complain of high BP in your earlier age, better you can take this once in a month at least, because it's very nice to control high BP, high blood pressure. Okay, keep watching. I will now explain to you the benefit of cucumbers and celery. So guys, celery leaves, seed, and extract have been properly remedies in traditional plant medicine practice for centuries. Celery juice can help avoid heart disease, jaundice, urinary tract problems, gout, and rheumatoid disorders. Improve fertility, increase sperm counts, is antifungal and antibacterial. It can be used for bronchitis, colic, asthma, skin conditions, fevers, vomiting, and tremors. So, celery has many uses as a medicinal plant, but it also has several general health promoting properties that everyone can benefit from it. Now you know the benefit of celeries. So guys, there are questions asked: how quickly does celery juice lower high blood pressure? And you can see the study shows using the recommended oriented dosages to lower mild cases of high blood pressure. One would eat about 4 onions of celery, about a cup of chopped celery daily. You should begin to see results after only a week or two. Juicing stacks of celery per day will also achieve the same result. So guys, if you intend to lower your high BP, hypertension, that is high blood pressure, you can also use the celery juice 1 cup a day to lower it. And if you have not having high BP already, you can be drinking celery juice maybe once a week or once in a month. As I said in the beginning, that prevention is better than cure. So thank you for watching. I will also tell you the benefit of cucumber we added in it. Keep watching. So guys, as we proceed, let me also explain to you the benefit of cucumbers. Cucumbers we added in this drinking recipe is a good source of potassium, magnesium, and dietary fiber. These nutrients are known to lower blood pressure, thus reducing the risk of heart diseases. Research has also proven that regular consumption of cucumber juice was helpful in reducing blood pressure in elderly people with hypertension. Now you know that drinking cucumber with celeries can reduce your high BP, that is hypertension. So guys, now you know that cucumber has a great role to play in this our recipe. So cucumber benefits is also good in diabetes management, weight loss, health, detoxification wonders, cancer prevention, eye and skin health, bone strength support. Now you know the benefit of the juice we are making. That is very nice and good to control the high BP, that is hypertension. Please, before you drink or you make a celery juice cucumber recipe, consult your doctor and ask about if you can drink it and before you can embark on making the juice. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched to this extent, consider liking our video so that YouTube can recommend it to the wider audience. And also, if you have not subscribed, give us a click on that subscription box that says subscribe, and also share our videos. You can also give us a comment. Let us know, do you have idea about this drink? Have you prepared it before, or are you going to try it? Are you suffering from hypertension, or have you seen anyone who have taken this and it has a wonderful good on his head or her head? Let us know in the comment section. Please let us know what you're in about this recipe or this drink. I will gladly answer you and I will also reply to you. Thank you so much for watching. Now we have finished juicing. You see here the fiber we cut from this. It is so dried and that is so nice. I like this juicing machine because it's so nice to juice out your juice. Is very nice. So guys, even if you don't have juicing machine, you can also use your blender to juice out this juice. Okay, yeah, you can use the blender to blend it and also filter it. There are many ways you can do your juice at home. Making your own juice at home is so healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Please, I need your thumbs up. I want to know what you think about this. I will be seeing you next time in my next video. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for being part of this family. God bless you. So now the juice is ready. You can also drink it first thing in the morning to start your day. You can also add your honey if you like. You can also add your ice. I'm adding ice because here is summer, everywhere is hot. But if it's not hot weather, you can drink it like that. Just drink it in a way you like. So the rest of it, you can also add it in your bottle and put it in your refrigerator. It can be for 4 to 5 days in your fridge without any problem. You can drink it every day. 1 cup a day is okay for you. Yeah, so you can see how amazing this juice looks. So awesome and refreshing. I love green juice mostly in summertime. Thank you for watching. See you next time in my next video. I'll be taking one now. Bye. Love you all.